So we have a furnace here that is flashing 4. 4 says it's a open limit device. Open limit device right there. 4. Open high limit device. Okay. It's telling me the blower. Let's try blower. We're going to jump out the blower. So green is G and R. And we get nothing. Usually we should have a blower kicking on here. So next, we'll check to see if we have power with the blower motor. So, there's some kind of power here somewhere. Heat. These are one of these should have power. Cooling and then go to ground. Oh. 120. 120. So technically we should have a blower clicking on. Take these off. Blower faulty. They're gonna have to take that blower motor out and see if we got one to wrap. Get the model serial number off this thing. It's called GFM equipment. Call. Oh, phone's gonna go down here in a second.